Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin It. We're going to try to fix this clothes dryer today. It's an electric one by Frigidaire. And what's happening is it needs a couple of cycles before it could dry the clothes. It's not drying as well as it used to. So I got a feeling it's all clogged up with lint and stuff, so we're going to try to clean that out. Okay, first thing you want to do is open up this lid. There's two tabs over here, two hooks. So you're going to stick something to just push in there, pull out, okay? Now this is going to fall back. Try to lean it on something. If not, tie something to it so it doesn't go all the way back. Alright guys, next thing you got to do is two screws. There's one here, okay, and one over here, okay. Okay guys, you're going to need one of these square looking bits to take that this screw off, okay. So, put it here. Alright, once you get these two screws off, just clip over here, take a screwdriver, do the same thing on this side. Alright, now this whole thing is loose. I'm going to pull back and lift. And just put it out of the way, okay? Check it out guys, so I took the front off and I started cleaning this off. There's a bunch of, look at this, all this stuff coming out. I'm gonna take these off too. Alright guys, so it's nice and clean in there now. All this stuff came out of there. What a mess. So we just gotta hook this up, back up. Just hook up these two wires back to it. Okay. And then we're gonna clean the vent too. Okay guys, we're ready to put this back in. So the way you do this, you got these hooks. One here, one on the other side. You're gonna hook these to this, okay? Alright guys, so now we're gonna hook this from the bottom first. Okay, then you're gonna lift the barrel and try to get this in there, okay? Line it up. That's it, you ready to put the two screws in. Just gotta pull this back up. That's it. Undo this screw. And then this whole thing comes out. So, clean in there. Okay, after you clean this thing, I'm sure there's some rubber sticking out because you're just going to shove it right back in there. Okay, so let's clean this out while we're at it. So, just gonna take it right out of here. Clean all this stuff out of here. Alright, that's fairly clean in there. This is all the junk that came out of there. So luckily I have a short piece. But if you have a long piece, you might have to get one of those brooms or whatever they are. That helps you clean them out. If not, just get a whole new thing. It's not that expensive. Alright guys, she works good again. So if your dryer's not drying as good as it should, try cleaning it out first before you call somebody to fix it, okay? I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Take care.